Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. So what do I do here? I bring you updates in the crypto space, blockchain technology, and what have you. So today guys, we're going to be talking about the Coinmarketcap. Firstly, Coinmarketcap is like the best global tracking platform for all crypto assets newly listed and already listed. And without saying much, I'm just going to go through a little and read through about CoinMarketCap before I go ahead and show you the futures. This is the app itself, and a later time I will do a video for the web futures and show you what's going on. So here we go. About CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets and the rapid growing cryptocurrency space. Its mission is to make crypto discoverable and efficient globally by empowering retail users with unbiased, high quality and accurate information for drawing their own informed conclusions. So it is founded by Chess in May 2013. CoinMarketCap has quickly grown to become the most trusted source by users, institutions, and media for comparing thousands of crypto assets, and is commonly cited by CNBC, Bloomberg, and other major news outlets. So if you like to read more about them, just go through this and so on. And we're back guys. So I'm just going to show you, this is the user interface. This is what the home page does look like. Here you have the first one to top 100. You can change that here if you wish to by clicking on it, and you can change the hour and price change per 24 hours and per hour. And here you can choose to show the prices in BTC, or you can choose to show prices in USD. And here you can see the chains above. You can choose the chains. You have the ethereum, the BSC, the tron, arbitrum, and so on. And here you can, if you go back back to coins, if you click on watch list, this is where this is where the coins that you are trying to monitor and analyze, this is where they'll be placed. And right here is the dex pairs right after chains. These dex pairs are those pairs that are DEX is decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and etc. they use. So you can see them over here. If you scroll down, you're going to see more of them. And if you come to categories, you know, in this crypto space, they have the Avalanche ecosystem, BNB ecosystem, Solana ecosystem. They have DeFi tokens, and they have NFTs and collectibles. If you scroll down, you're going to see the different categories. And if you want to analyze any of them and make a pick to go for a deeper search, you can come here. And for instance, I love the play to earn and NFTs, and as well as DeFi. So if I click on this DeFi now, it's going to load, and then you're going to see all the pairs that are doing exceedingly well and those that are in the deep. So that's it for that in the category section. And then if you go to exchanges, exchanges are the SEX, that's the centralized exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, KuCoin, and Bits, Finex, etc., etc. If you scroll, you're going to see a lot of them. And here it shows you their trust score. This icon that we're seeing here is the trust score of the exchange that we would like to analyze. So any of them that we click and want to go make a deeper research on them, we simply click it, and you can see this trust score right here at this right corner. So you have Binance having 9.9, of course, since it's the biggest and most widely used by users, accounts, and transactions daily. You have KuCoin coming in on 4th position. So without saying much, if you come down here and at the bottom after the market and you see the explore, this point is where you get to read news and kind of follow up on what's happening in the market. In case you would like to know what caused the dip this very period, well, this place can tell you a lot about it. You can come here and pick any news topic you like and read through. Those are recommended for me, but for random news you can come in here and you can see their topics and you can decide to pick. Coinbase reassures customers taking services amid SEC crackdown. If you want to read more on articles, there are also videos file for you to also watch, and for some that will prefer visuals, that like watching videos on news, is that prefer that, you can come to the video section. And if you go to popular coins, you can see these are the ones that are currently in the trend. You can see Bone, you can see Quant, you can see TWT. Those are those that are making, these are coins that are making nice gains in the last 24 hours. And if you scroll down, you get to see more of them. Of course, it will be at a very big dip, but it's going to pick up. So this might be a good buy, not a financial advice. So you can come to top losers here, and you can come to trending as well. So if you scroll down, you can see what's trending and what not. So you can come here. If you click here, you can see the recently added coins. These are coins such as coins from our new listed projects that have submitted and passed the merits of Coinmarketcap. You can see Shibon, you can see True, you can see Dare, you can see Neko. These are mostly, sometimes most of them are what they call it, most of them are shit coins, but they are big projects like this GPT. This one recently launched yesterday and did a over 1000% gain, but it's currently in a dip right now based on the price analysis. So that will be that for the explore. If we come here to the portfolio, you get to see coins that this portfolio helps you manage your assets. Helps you manage your assets. Here you get to put in assets at what price you bought them, and will help you calculate your daily gains and your daily losses. You can decide to put it in a pie chart form if you don't want it to be in a line chart, and you can check the statistics to know which is performing and know which is not, and so on and so forth. Then if you come here at the bottom in the community, this is where these are communities, these are projects that I joined their community on CoinMarketCap based on airdrops or quest actions. So if you check here the articles, you have some that have been recommended. If you come here, you can see the ones that I am following already. Sorry guys that I'm rushing this. I do not wish this video to exceed 10 minutes, so you can see we have very little time. Just hold on guys. So it's loaded. These are the communities, these are the projects that I'm following, that I've joined their community. Mostly CoinMarketCap and so on. But if you do wish to follow, you can come through and it is going to recommend accounts for you to follow. Okay, I have been hearing so much about the Panther protocol and IOTA. So guys, without saying much, I think I'm just gonna head. The most beautiful thing about this is the fact that you get to collect diamonds daily from this platform. In the future, this platform, these diamonds could be used for something great. And if you're looking to register, down in the description you will see the link to join us on CoinMarketCap and claim diamonds. So this is my profile. These are some um, communities and some quests that I had to do to make a post and repost some of them for airdrop actions. So if you come over here, this is the home page. If you come over here, right here at the top is the where you get to collect your daily CoinMarketCap diamonds. So right here, once it loads, I'm just going to show you how many diamonds I have claimed and show you what you have to do to claim these diamonds. So guys, you can see I've claimed about 3,180 diamonds, and if you look down here, it counts down to have 12 more hours. So if you want to know what these diamonds are, you can read through here. So here you can see diamond rewards. This part is where you can actually use these diamonds to kind of buy. You can actually use these diamonds to buy some stuffs like NFTs or participate in lucky draws. You can also use it. If you come right here, you can see what you can use diamonds to do just like the CoinGecko candies. So if you come to the leaderboard, you get to see those that are claiming the top coins of the CoinMarketCap diamond. My network is a little bit slow. Hold on, guys. Pardon me, this is exceeded 10 minutes. So here it is. There should be network, but I'm just gonna head back to my diamonds. I do not wish to waste your time because this video has already hit 10 minutes. So guys, if you're looking to be part, this is a full review on CoinMarketCap. So if you're looking to be part of CoinMarketCap and claim diamonds on a daily, I do not know, but I do believe that in the future there might be drops for diamond. They might have a token. Nobody's certain yet. CoinMarketCap might have its own token, transactional token. It's not certain yet, but I do believe in the future this these candies, this CoinMarketCap diamonds will definitely be used as a criteria to reward users. So guys, we're back at home. We're back at the home page. So if you click here at the right top, that place that has a mask, you can see this is where the profile is, and you can see tools that are being dropped here. You have price alert actions where you get to set alerts on the prices you want. They have the free airdrop section. You have converter where you get to convert the coins to whatever you wish, compared against USD or BTC. And then you have, if I click on these free airdrops, you can see some of them that are already ongoing, completed, or upcoming. That's ongoing, upcoming, and ended. There is no overview yet, but if you come to the ended, you're going to see so much airdrop that just ended recently. I participated for the Eagleverse, but I didn't get it, unfortunately. I participated to deferred chain, so I'm not sure they're done airdropping or they have started airdropping, but the participation period has ended. So that is that for the airdrop section. So guys, you can go, if we come over to their socials, we can see here that, so guys, if we head straight into their Twitter, you can see they have over 5.8 million followers, and that's because they are steady. There are thousands and hundreds of coins being listed daily, and you do need to, these projects need to follow their handles. You can go as well to check their check their Facebook, their Reddit, and their web. So this right here is their help center. You can see some of the frequently asked questions, and you can contact them. And right here in the settings, you can do whatever you wish to do in the settings. Switch your mood. That is the color. You can switch it to night mode. Your launch screen, you can switch your launch screen to either be market, explore, portfolio, or community. This app does so many things. You can choose the biometric authentication if you wish to log into the app, or if you wish to restrict for security purposes. If you do know, if there are many people that have access to your device, your mobile app, or your mobile phone, you can add the biometric authentication to restrict unwanted users to log into your CoinMarketCap account or interface. So guys, that will be it in this video. So if you did like to join CoinMarketCap, you need to register to be able to be claiming these diamonds. So the link will be down in the description, and see you in my next video. Voila.